Can you really break the algorithm in 3 minutes? Well, I will answer this question very soon, but before that let's see some faceless YouTube channels. Some of the faceless YouTube channels are going viral in their first video itself. So what's the real fact behind this? Should we start uploading the videos in a new channel? When will the video go viral? How long do we have to wait? Well, all your questions will be answered in this video, but before that let me make it clear that it can actually be possible to go viral in just one video, but there are some special requirements which you need to meet to go viral in just 3 minutes. If you follow these 3 steps, then I will guarantee you that you will definitely go viral in your first video itself.
Bro, your first video itself didn't go viral. Then how will you teach us?
Well, let me make it clear that my first video didn't go viral because I did not know these 3 strategies. After knowing these 3 strategies, I worked on it, and believe me, slowly these strategies started giving me boost to my channel, and after a few days one of my videos went viral. So let's discuss the valid point, keep the stupidity aside. So without wasting our precious time, let's dive into today's topic. Firstly, it's very much necessary to choose your interested topic as a niche. It's pretty simple. If you are interested, then you will work on it. On the other hand, if you are not interested, then you will work forcefully. So decide your niche according to your interest and upload the videos according to viewers' interest. Just follow this simple step and you will be successful in completing the first small step of breaking the algorithm. Later, once you decide the niche before uploading your first video, follow the second step, which is to increase your editing skills. Yes, you heard it right. First, be perfect in editing the videos, otherwise you are not going to compete with other channels with your first video itself. If you see the first video of other channels, then the video is top-notch and well edited. I will show you some of the channels. You can see that their first video has got more views. Just sit and analyze all the channels' first video. They have their own and unique content, and also the main key factor, which is boosting their views, is the editing skills. They are using some of the trending editing techniques which are helping them to gain subscribers' attention and also views. Now, how to achieve these editing skills? Basically, editing skills comes from seeing the tutorials and practicing them with your own videos. For your convenience, on this channel there are a lot of videos related to trending edits. You can watch those videos to gain some editing skills like me. I have created a separate playlist, and also I will leave the link in the description. If you watch all videos and use these trending edits in your channel, then you will also achieve the same results as many are achieving it. All the edits are very simple and they just take some 2 minutes to finish the job. And by the way, you can also subscribe to the channel because I will be bringing more editing tutorials. Once you develop the editing skills, it's time to move on to the first step, which is the thumbnail editing skills. You can practice these 2 steps simultaneously. All videos which are going viral nowadays are making the thumbnail in better quality, and also the thumbnails are catchy. Guys, if you want to make a best thumbnail for your videos, then comment below so that I can start the thumbnail tutorials also. I personally use the Pixel Lab application for designing the thumbnails, and sometimes I also use the PicsArt application. You can edit your thumbnail in these applications. They are actually very easy to use, especially for beginners. And make sure that your editing skills and thumbnail quality must be top-notch. Even it's fine if you upload your video 1 day later, but don't compromise in your quality and content. After developing your editing and thumbnail skills, move on to the last step, which is finding the trending topics in your niche. If you observe these channels' first video, then they have successfully followed these 3 strategies. Their editing and thumbnail is top-notch, and above that they have uploaded their first video on trending topics. You also need to do the same. Go search for trending topics in your category and make a video on that. And remember to make your first video as if you have more experience in YouTube. All these creators who went viral in the first video have failed many times in their other channels. And combining the experience they have on YouTube, they made a new channel and made their first video to go viral. So you need to develop these skills to break the algorithm in just 3 minutes. Otherwise the stupid techniques are not going to work. Just focus on your video content and how to make it better every time. You will definitely hit the top level. And if you are in search of an editing tutorial to develop your skills, then here it is. Until next time, keep watching these tutorials. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.